Now, south of Chennai, Oragadam is a micro-market that may not be the most ideal residential spot, but that hasn't stopped developers from launching a range of homes at attractive prices. So is Oragadam a promising suburb, and should it figure in your house hunting? Here's Jude Sanith with his review.
These high-rises just off State Highway 57 are an indication of the changing face of Oragadam. The last 4 years have seen Chennai's automobile hub transform into a solid residential market. With products ranging from skyscrapers to spacious villas, the location seems to have just about enough for everyone. And with a total supply of just under 5,000 units today, Oragadam is also a micro-market that hasn't overestimated itself. Its steady growth has also meant almost all available supply has already been sold, sales that have handed a handful of developers here maximum value for their investments. Experts credit this to smart marketing and a steady approach to building homes in this neighborhood.
Target audience for this micro market is only people who are basically the blue collar jobs working in that area. I don't see anybody traveling in from Chennai, because it's a good 50 kilometers away, to stay there and come back, because we don't have a high speed transport network which people can commute day and day. So it's a very captive neighborhood.
The success of Oragadam's real estate has prompted more developers to make a foray into the location. Newer products at slightly higher prices are a natural result of this development. And here's why you could consider buying a home in this emerging location. For a start, 3,000 to 3,500 rupees per square foot here is great value for money. This, when coupled with ongoing infrastructure like the construction of a 4-lane expressway along State Highway 48, could mean better road connectivity in the area. On the downside, slow price appreciation in the area doesn't make it an investment option, while no rail connectivity in the neighborhood is also a minus.
I don't think there will be huge appreciation per se in this location. Maybe a 10% will happen, but the market would jump many folds when this rail connectivities and the road connectivity improves and more investments come in.
Oragadam may not be the best micro market to invest your money in, but it does hold promise for the years ahead. On the price front, set aside a budget of 20 to 40 lakh rupees and hope for better connectivity in the area. For at the end of the day, if your office is somewhere along GST and what you're looking for is a home on a budget, you couldn't ask for more. Reporting from Chennai with camera person Edwin, this is Jude Sanith for NDTV.